Struggling with undeletable files. Today, we're tackling the can't delete file error. Stay tuned for simple solutions to verify and fix. Click on the File Explorer icon on your taskbar or press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Navigate to this PC and find the file that's causing you trouble. Head over to the Start menu, type in CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, grab the command rd/sggs from our video description. Paste the command into the command prompt window by pressing Ctrl+V. Immediately follow it with the full path of the problematic file and press Enter. If prompted, type Y and hit Enter to confirm the deletion of the file. Your file should now be deleted. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open File Explorer and locate the file you want to delete. Right-click on the file, go to Show More Options, and click Add to Archive. Note: this step requires WinRAR to be installed on your computer. Choose Zip as the archive format. Make sure to check the option Delete Files after archiving. Press OK to proceed. Once your file is compressed into a zip archive and the original is deleted, you can then delete the zip file itself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.